Creating and editing drawings with common features such as doors or windows in a wall can involve repetitive workflows consisting of multiple steps. Copying geometry, moving it, positioning it, modifying the surrounding entities. Copy-Guided combines these into a single step. By selecting the items you want to copy, along with their geometry to be used as guide curves, you're presented with a copy of the item. This can be placed anywhere in the drawing where the geometry aligns with the guide curves. You can create more restrictive parameters by selecting more guide curves, increasing the number of conditions to be met before the item can be placed. The region option of the Copy-Guided can help you to heal any geometry left behind after something is being deleted. Copy-Guided gives you the ability to streamline your workflow, making it easier and less time-consuming to make geometry changes.